In this lesson, let us try to learn two more important commands which are present in our status bar at the bottom. These commands are called as Ortho Mode and Polar Mode. Now see here, if I go here, you can see Ortho Mode. You can see the pop-up menu is showing and it is explaining what actually it is. Ortho Mode. This is what, and you can even use F8. If you use F8, you will turn on Ortho Mode and turn off Ortho Mode. You can see here in the bracket, he shows me F8. Now, it restricts the cursor to move only in the vertical and horizontal directions. Okay. So now I have switched it off. It has become gray color now. Let me just go and select a line command. I have taken the line command. I have just picked at some point. Let us say I want to draw 50. So how do I keep horizontal? It may not be horizontal. See here, I can just say like this, but it is definitely not horizontal. Okay. And then if I want to go vertical, how? It's only my eye, right? It may be vertical or it may not be vertical. So to have vertical or horizontal movement, you just go over here and click on this Ortho Mode. The moment you click on the Ortho Mode, see, your cursor will either move horizontally or it will move vertically. You cannot have in any other inclined directions. Is this clear? Now see here, I can just go here and then I can type whatever I want. Now let me see, let me escape it. Let me pan and get something here. See, I have got a drawing over here. Okay. So it is giving me the dimensions. So I can draw this one. Just let me click on the line command and my Ortho Mode is on. So now I click at some point, move the cursor like this, type 50 on your keyboard, enter, and then again come down, type 50, enter, then go to the left, type 25, enter, then go down. How much should I type now? So the dimension is not shown over here, is it not? Just see here, this total is 75 and this is 50. This means this line should be 25. So I just come down here and then see here in the command line, it is telling specify next point. Okay. Or there are sub options also. Okay. But I will just go down and type 25 in this direction. Since I have kept the cursor and the line is down, it will take in this direction 25. I move towards left. How much I need? 25. Enter. Now vertical. Okay. I either type 75 or it is going and catching with my first point. Is it not? I can simply say C, enter. See, it has closed. So now I have the complete drawing which is drawn in such a way that the angle between these two lines is how much? 90 degrees. Orthogonal. Okay. 90 degrees it is there. So this is the benefit of having what? This is the benefit of having Ortho Mode on. If you have Ortho Mode on, what you can do is you can draw lines. You can draw lines orthogonally. They will be always at 90 degrees interval. Okay, 90 degrees angle. This is one. This is called as what? Ortho Mode. Fine. So now if I press F8, see, if I press F8, it is gone. See, it became gray color. Now next to 8, you have got another icon. Let me switch it on again. Okay. Now next to it, you can see a circle and some two lines are there. Do you see here? Polar tracking. Understand? This restricts the movement at specified angle. Okay. And there is a small arrow also. If I open the arrow, you can see here I have got what? 90, 180, 270. This is basically ortho, you can say. This is basically what? This is basically ortho. So what I will do now, I will just go and click on this one. Now see, the moment I click on polar, ortho is turned off. I will just go and select a line command. I will click here. I can move around in any direction, no problem now. Okay. But the moment I come near horizontal, see here, the moment I come at 0 degrees, see there is a green line. This shows me that I am horizontal. Okay. I click somewhere here and then I just go here, no problem. See, the moment I go vertical, it is showing me a green dotted line. You can see there. Okay. It's showing me a green dotted line. I can just click here. Then I can come here like this and I can click here. Then I can go up. I can click here. Then I simply say C, enter. So it is closing. See there. So this is polar. Okay. Now in polar, there is a small arrow also. See, for polar tracking, you can switch on and switch off by using F10 on your keyboard. Now, if I open this arrow, there is a drop down menu. You have the angles here. You can have even at specified angles, 45, 90, in the increments of 45 degrees, you can say. Okay. Now what, let us try to draw a drawing. Now let me just pan it out. There is a drawing over here. You can see the sizes are all how much? 30, 30. So all are 30, and the angle is how much? The angle is 45. So what I will do now, I will just go open this polar mode and then I will set at 45. Okay. Now let me take a line. I will just take a line. I will change the color of the line. Of course, I will teach you these things later, but right now, just to differentiate from the existing drawing, I have taken green color for the line. I just go click on the line command, select some point, move in this direction. See, I can move anywhere. The moment I am in the horizontal, it is showing me what? It is showing me a dotted line, you can see. Okay, green dotted line. How much is the dimension? 30. 30, enter. Now I can go like this anywhere. See here, when I come here, 45 degrees. It is already showing me a dotted line. Again, I will say how much? 30. Then come vertical. See, it's showing me a dotted line. How much is the dimension? 30. Enter. Then I go like this. See, 30. Enter. Then come horizontal almost. 30. Enter. Then go like this. 30. Enter. Then come vertical, 30, enter. Then I can simply say close, C, enter. Now see, I have drawn an octagon having 8 sides. Okay, now the dimensions are also there. 30 is there, 45 is there. I can just go here, get the dimension. I will just click and show you. See here, it is 30, and I want the angular dimension. I will click between this line and this line. Of course, these things you will learn later. Okay, right now just to show you. See here, 45 and 30. So by having polar and ortho modes on and off, you can make your drawing fast and more accurate. Thank you for watching this video.